Welcome to our channel Be Always Learner. In the exercise 6.2, question number 6, we are going to cover in this video. आप वीडियो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को and do not forget to press the bell icon. The question is, in a figure that PQ and RS are the two mirrors. Here, this PQ and RS दो मिरर हैं. Placed parallel, एक दूसरे के पैरेलल रखे हैं. An incident ray AB as an incident ray strikes the mirror PQ at B and reflected ray move along the path BC and strike the mirror RS at C and again reflect back along CD and prove that we have to prove that AB is parallel with CD. So the solution of this question is the two parallel mirrors PQ and RS are placed parallel to each other. It means PQ and RS is parallel to each other. An incident ray AB, after reflecting, takes the path BC and then CD. Now, we can have a perpendicular to the normal to the mirror PQ. So, we can draw a perpendicular from this point to this point, and we can also draw a perpendicular from C point to PQ. We can say that this angle, I am assuming that this angle is 1. हमने इसको 1 का नाम दिया है. This angle we are taking it as 2, and this angle I am taking this angle as 3, and this angle I am taking it as 4. This point I am giving n, this point I am giving m. So now we can see, and we can make the this line dotted also. Fine. It is not going to be a permanent line. Fine. So this BN and this CM are perpendicular to the plane PQ and RS. So we can write here the solution. The BN is perpendicular को हम ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, perpendicular PQ, and this CM is perpendicular on RS, right? If it is so, then these two lines are parallel. Hence, the BN is equal or is parallel with CM, because if it is perpendicular to PQ, it is also perpendicular to RS. So, because this BN is perpendicular to PQ also. Thus, the BN and CM are two parallel lines, and transverse BC cuts them at B and at C. So we can say that angle 2 and angle 3 are equal because of alternate interior angles. Because of alternate interior angle. But the angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by laws of reflection. Fine. So we can also write by using this statement that angle 1 and plus angle 2, that is equal to angle 2, because both are equal, so we can write this statement, and angle 3 plus angle 4, that is equal to angle 3 plus angle 3, because both are equal. We can also say that this is equal to 2 of angle 2, this is equal to 2 of angle 3. Now we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2, that is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, because angle 2 is equal to angle 3, right? That implies 2 of angle 2, that is equal to 2 of angle 3. So that's because we can write this statement. This is nothing but angle ABC, that is equal to angle BCD, right? Angle ABC, that is equal to angle BCD. So if we want to mark it, we can mark it like this. This angle is equal to this angle, right? So the line AB, the line AB and CD are intersected by transversal BC, such that angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. That is why, because it is alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, line AB is parallel with line CD. So this is the thing we want to prove. So we can write hence prove. So hope you like the solution. Please subscribe the channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon.